Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's up, YouTube? Back at it, STINO, WRD, STINO Werewolf Drive back at y'all. Look at the sunset. Hopefully it focused, but I feel like I ain't really give y'all just a true POV, strictly driving, strictly cutting up, strictly just doing what I do for real. So let me just go ahead and pop this quick video in. Y'all see how G looking. Let me get a walk around for y'all. A real spiffy. Go ahead, close that tag. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm about to just go ahead and just drive around town. I don't got nothing else really better to do for real. I like how this shit's sitting. Look at the fitment, crazy. And that stock ride height too. Stock suspension. Yeah. Right, just take it for a spin and see what she do. Let's see who try. I hope no one try to mess me on the road. I'm trying to be by my lonely, man. Trying to be by my. Making sure GoPro set up good. Set up right. Put that back down. Let's get this started. Let me go ahead and just turn on traction control for y'all. Turn off that AC, just so y'all know we about to get right. Hop in that sport move. I just want y'all to enjoy the video for real. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me some ideas. Let me know what builds y'all working on. Let me know what builds y'all trying to buy. Tesla's a Plaid? Hell no. Let me know what builds y'all want to buy. Let me know your dream car. I'm gonna do my best. Well, I do my best to reply to everyone's comments. So if you're watching this video and you comment, best believe you're gonna get a response back. Okay, you should have been turned on your shits. Spark plugs changed yesterday, so that German Shepherd all black, pretty nice. He's looking at me. Stop looking at me, buddy. Should I bust this left or this right? Probably the right. Get more space on the right side. Stop. I should have hit that left just now, but it's alright. That's straight back roads, man. fuck? What the fuck? Let me go ahead and get up out of here. Let me go ahead and get up out of here. There's no way, there's no reason why he should be just parked just right there in the middle of this road. I've never seen that before. Now look at this goofy. Let me get off this road right now. At first in my head, I'm thinking someone seen me or another officer seen me and he stopped in the middle of the road to catch me. That's what I was thinking. Going the speed limit. Indeed we are. Speed camera, go ahead, turn that thing on. Turn that tag cover off. I didn't know they had a speed camera right there. That's crazy. I think I definitely feel a difference in spark plugs. Ever since I bought this car, I ain't never changed my spark plugs before, so. Reflective? Yeah, my car hard too, buddy. That's an A4. I think he got reflective shits on him. I got this little piece yesterday from AutoZone. Not from this one, but that don't really matter. Got it from AutoZone. It's a little piece that I guess takes out the lug nut. Y'all can see. Let me put my phone flashlight on. It's a little piece that takes out the lug nut. I mean, what am I talking about? It's a piece that takes out the spark plug. So this was $15. And they think I'm not going to return it. Got the receipt right here. And yeah, I'm about to go in there and return this bad boy. This Acura truck, I don't know what he's doing, y'all. He's trying. I don't know what he's doing. your YouTube? Instagram. Alright, it's back.